Welcome to the stock workout where we flex on the market to make gains. Today, I want to talk about Novavax, ticker symbol Nvax. Now, this is a COVID stock. It's a COVID play. It has risen up approximately 2,000% in the last year. And yesterday, they released UK phase 3 results, and these were 89.3% effective. Now, I'm going to go over why I think this stock could 5x within the next 12 months. But before I do that, let me give you some background information on Novavax. So Novavax is a vaccine development company based over in America. They currently don't have any products on the market. However, they do have 3 products that are all in phase 3 clinical trials. Now, the first one that's going to come to market is its coronavirus vaccine. After that, they've got a nano flu vaccine that's in phase 3 clinical trials as well. So both of these are going to act like catalysts within the near future. So let's get started with the coronavirus vaccine. So this vaccine has been said to be 89.3% effective against COVID-19. Now, the original strain that started off, this vaccine was 95.6% effective against that and 85.6% effective against the first variant that was detected in the UK. This gives an average of 89.3%. That is pretty significant news because the UK has also ordered 60 million doses of this vaccine at a price of $16 each. That adds up to a total of just under $1 billion for a company that has a market cap of currently 8.53 billion. Now, just for a quick comparison, I'll put it up on screen. As you can see, Moderna's market capital is much higher, and they also have one product on the market, which is a coronavirus vaccine. Now, this makes me think that Novavax is severely undervalued, and that's why I think it could potentially 5x within the next 12 months. It has orders from Australia and also from New Zealand as well, and they are significant orders that could probably match the UK's orders. Now, estimates have it that Novavax are going to take in $4 billion in 2021. This is absolutely insane because the market capital is only 8.53. Now, for a company that size to take in $4 billion is very significant. Now, pre-market, the price has jumped up to $170 roundabouts. Now tomorrow, I think that this is going to pop. This share price is only going to increase. After a couple of days, it might start coming back down and consolidating. It has been consolidating in the last 3-4 months. As soon as we've had some news, it's popped overnight. I think it will do the same. Phase 3 results have been released, but it hasn't been authorized for use yet. Once they get authorization from the MHRA, the FDA, this share price is going to go through the roof. It currently has 6 analysts recommending a strong buy for the stock. That includes H.C. Wainwright and J.P. Morgan. Now, it has a high estimate of 223. Now, that is a good 30-40% upside from where it is now. But that doesn't take into consideration any of the catalysts that are yet to come. They're still going to release phase 3 results from the US. That's gonna cause it to spike again. Then they're gonna get approvals from both the UK and the US. That's gonna increase it again. Now, when they release their phase 3 results for NanoFlu, these are good long-term wealth builders because there are multiple catalysts that are yet to come within the next 12 months. They need to get approval for 2 different products for a small company that has a market cap of $8.5 billion with 2 products coming in. One of them is going to bring in an estimated $4 billion. You can't go wrong with it. With these catalysts that are incoming this year, I think we're getting the stock at a really cheap price right now. Compare it with other companies. The companies like Moderna, they're priced at roughly 5-6 times more than what Novavax is, but Novavax is in a better position than Moderna because they've got 2 products that are due to be released. Now the nano flu, so far in its clinical trials, it has been tested and the results are very, very promising. For the nano flu vaccine, they are showing that it is more effective than the current flu vaccine that is on the market. Now this opens the door to a big revenue in stream, because as we all know, the flu vaccine is a seasonal vaccine and we get vaccinated every year for that. Now, for those of you that think that the vaccine race has been won by other companies, I'd like to disagree. The Pfizer vaccine and the Moderna vaccine have already been approved, just like the AstraZeneca vaccine. However, there is a benefit to the Novavax vaccine, and that's that it can be stored at fridge temperatures. The Pfizer vaccine needs to be transported at -70, which produces logistical issues. This vaccine can be transferred at fridge temperatures, which makes it much easier. Hot countries in the subcontinent, in Africa, they'll have better access to this instead of the Pfizer vaccine, which needs to be stored at -70 just because of the climate that they're in. Now, remember, there's a catalyst coming around the corner. When they get approval from the MHRA for the vaccine to be administered within the UK, that's another catalyst that's going to push the price up. So, in my opinion, this is a long-term investment. You need to stomach the ups and downs, because when it goes up and it reaches all-time highs, they are going to be profit takers, and the price will come back down, go through consolidation phase, but each catalyst will push the price higher. In the long term, within the next year, this price could easily 5x. You can catch this at a price between 160 to 170. I think that's a price that we should load up on, because we might not see these prices again. Once the vaccine gets approved and the revenue starts coming in and there's an influx of cash for the company, we are not going to see these prices again. Given the market conditions, given the situation we're all in the pandemic, these pharma companies still making money. They're selling the vaccine to different countries. Everybody's going to be vaccinated in the end. It might continue for a very long time, because everybody can't be vaccinated all at once. There's supply issues, logistical issues for the vaccines and for the companies, so it will take some time. Now, Moderna's CEO came out and said we might have to live with COVID forever. If that's the case, that's repeat income for these companies, which at this price would be really cheap, because in the coming years, if they're constantly selling vaccines again and again, then you already know what it is. That's repeat income. That's guaranteed income. Now, I believe that this company, Novavax, can get emergency approval for its vaccine. Its phase 3 trials have already showed promising results. It's got a second phase 3 trial going on. This is going to be a home run. Me personally, I would say this is a long-term hold. For anyone trying to swing it, I would take profits, because it is going to fluctuate quite a bit with the catalyst going through consolidation phases. So be aware that other people may also take profits. With the COVID situation and with everybody in demand for vaccines, I believe that Novavax's revenue can only grow. They'll sign more deals with more countries, more vaccines. So there you have it. If you like that one, add it to your portfolio and give the video a like and share it, subscribe. I'll be bringing many more stocks to your attention. Any players that I think would be good, we've got quite a few in the EV segment yet, and these COVID plays are the good ones, good wealth builders. I'll be bringing across a few penny plays as well. So if you like the sound of that, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you on the next one.